she was like, you a content creator? Dang, I hate my hair not doing. I'ma come back. Y'all stay here. I'ma come back.
What you doing? Where you at? Oh, you could play.
All right, y'all. Week and a half later. Actually, a week and 3 days later. That's basically a week and a half later. I'm just not picking y'all up because I've been stressed. So let me tell y'all what I have been through so far. So after realizing that my car was not working and that I couldn't fix it, I ended up taking it to the shop. Took it to the shop, told them exactly what was wrong with it. I knew it was my compressor. They claimed that regardless of the fact that I know it's the compressor, I still had to do a free on recharge. They charged me $460 some for a free on recharge. They said because it may not be the compressor, it may just be that you have a leak or a fuse is blown, whatever. So I gave them the okay to charge me $460 for that. Only for them to call me back and be like, yep, you were right, it's the compressor. So your total now is going to be I think it was like $2,400, roughly $2,400. So my daddy was like, hell no, you're not paying that. Hold on, y'all, I'm finna get in the Uber.
Shatarria?
Yes, sir. Hello. I'm fine. Okay, so yeah, that's what they want to charge me. My dad was like, hell no, you're not paying it. That's ridiculous for a compressor. So I was like, okay, because he was trying to charge me like $1,500 just for the compressor by itself. And so I went on like O'Reilly's and AutoZone and priced the compressor. And baby, I found compressors as cheap as $299 and as high as $600. So they were really just trying to price gouge, I guess. So I ended up picking up my car, paid them their money, picked up my car, still no air, because I didn't get it fixed with them. So I found another mechanic that's going to fix my car for a reasonable price. I went and picked up the parts yesterday, and I just dropped the car off. So now I'm in Uber, headed to work. So yeah, I just want to update y'all. Hopefully, fingers crossed, that tomorrow I get my car back, or maybe the day after, then we have air. Did I do my eyebrows too dark? I probably did. At this point, baby, I'm just happy that I'm out, okay? I'm happy that I'm out because I've been in for so long. If y'all hear my little air blowing in my car, it's because we got it fixed. We did. I don't know how much I done told y'all in regards to this whole car situation, but we didn't get a new car. We got this car fixed. Anywho, I'm at an event, guys, in Fort Worth. Can y'all believe it? We rarely ever have any events in Fort Worth, but I'm at an event and we're getting ready to go in. I think this is like a content creating type event. I'm assuming that like she's gonna give you pointers on how to maybe get your content. I don't know, that's me assuming. We won't know until we get in here, but that's what we're doing today. Sorry, it started at 12. I've been sitting in this parking lot for about 10 minutes. I'm about to get ready to go in. And can y'all believe, hold on, wait, let me not open up my mouth too soon. Oh! Can y'all believe Platinum is coming out here to Fort Worth? Baby, I never thought my good sis was gonna be in Fort Worth. And she deep in Fort Worth too. Yeah. But anywho, I'm waiting on her. I guess I'm finna wait on her then, because she down the street. I'm finna wait on her before I go in. And yeah, we just finna pick this thing back up. I miss y'all. Y'all, I really miss y'all. I said, baby, look who in Fort Worth.
Baby, girl, why I had on my little kickback Oak Cliff stuff?
You look cute.
Maybe I need to take that off going to Fort Worth.
Where you going after this?
Nowhere.
Oh, you got that fancy hair?
I gotta get a spot. This is 2-for-1. I can take a picture.
Oh, you know what, baby?
I'm already dressed.
You know what? She right. You're right. You can't get your 2-for-1.
And it'll fit in right with this little brick right here.
Yeah, you're right. That'll be cute. I like that dress. That's cute.
Put it on his website and it's purple.
Y'all check out B. That's who's throwing the event. And she got a good turnout, so this might be your thing.
I get it though. What do you want to do? I'm trying to turn it on.
We build it up.
Oh, you got your.
This one based on your content. Yellow.
Yellow?
Yes.
And if you got a single.
We missed it.
That's okay. You're gonna stand on this side. You're gonna move
Okay.
down. So you're gonna ask questions. You have a minute for content creator speed.
Oh, okay.
Let me find somewhere to put our stuff at. Oh, I don't get a paper.
Yeah, one person. You gonna
Oh, one person. Okay.
We know each other.
It's okay. I think we're gonna slide on down, ain't we? Y'all, I get to ask my sis a question. So we're gonna go with the first part. What is your least favorite part of content creation?
People's opinion.
People's opinion. Okay. Do you make content full time or as a side hustle?
Full time.
Full time. What is your dream press trip or invite?
All right, time. All right, move. Okay, you're gonna move down. Y'all move down this.
Staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, girls want girls. Hey, well, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Dre and Faye. I don't see the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. They can tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on it, I don't need 5 with a payday. So you go that way.
Erica right here. We in this thing.
Period.
Make sure y'all subscribe. I'm gonna have her handles below.
Erica D. Right. Y'all go follow me, please and thank you.
Period. Right now. Okay, yeah, we just did the question and answers. That was actually kind of fun. I was a little nervous, baby. I was a little nervous. Talking to new people. Yeah. I get a little nervous. But I think we about to sit down and eat. I ate before I came, but I might get something to drink. I might get some drink. Cause baby, I think I was real nervous. I'm not. You ain't hot.
It's a little warm in here.
Baby, I feel a little sweat on my nose. A little drippity drip drip drip. So y'all, we playing bingo, and her ass done won.
And then this is PR from Topical.
Oh, I want that. Y'all ain't getting my box. I'm sorry.
Friend, no, we had already had this discussion.
It's 2 things of
I just
soup in there,
played.
but it's
All right, y'all. I am so proud of B. She had a good turnout at the content creator event. I got to mingle with a lot of people. So if y'all are following me, hey y'all. I did meet one subscriber. Damn, I didn't get her name, but she know who she is. I did meet her because I never know that y'all know me. Whenever I'm with Platinum, I'm used to people going up and greeting her. So when y'all be like, oh, hey, Shay, I'll be like, oh, you took the time out your day to follow me. I'm so happy. So y'all can approach me. I promise y'all. I'll speak back. I'm crazy like this in real life. But I am shy. Do y'all get that from me? I'm very shy. Anywho, we're leaving this event. I'm finna go with, I'm about to, okay, sorry y'all. For one, oh goddamn, I need gas. Oh, she finna give me. But I need gas. My car say 5 miles to eat. Anyway, sorry y'all, I'm doing a million things at once. I need gas, so we're finna go get gas first. I'm supposed to be following Platinum ass to her friend's restaurant. But I ain't gonna be following her ass nowhere if I don't get some damn gas. She gonna look around and I'm gonna be pushing this damn car. And we can't have that. But we just got airbag. We just got airbag. No, what are you doing? But she looking like, what the hell? Friend, I need gas. Just give me a second. She can talk about me. Y'all know it ain't a Shady Shay vlog without me stopping to get gas. Y'all know this. And I forgot. I had made a mental note When after I leave this event, hit gas, Shatarria. Baby, I put $15 in my tank. What y'all think it did? Baby, the car still say I got 5 miles to eat. Whoa! Hey, yo. Hey, how y'all get over there? You thought she was hiding. They done seen you.
She just left.
Oh,
Talking about 3 minutes.
call her back.
Call her real quick. It say mercy.
Okay, y'all, listen. y'all know Platinum don't never come forward. And so y'all can check it out on her vlog. But it's a lady in the car. She was like, "You a content creator? Dang, I hate my hair not doing. I'ma come back. Y'all stay here. I'ma come back. Cause baby, she finna go put on a wig. Baby, she finna put a wig on so she can camera. She said, "I be seeing y'all." So she gonna say, "This is how Fort Worth is." Okay, no, don't do us. That was just a bad moment.
Yeah, I'm like, y'all need to get this dress. Everybody is.
Yeah, that dress is cute.
Y'all know it's gonna be linked below. It's perfect for like a tropical vacation.
All right, y'all. I've made it back home. I have to tell y'all about this experience that I had today. And I know I didn't get it on camera because I was kind of like an outer body type situation. I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna tell y'all about it. Y'all tell me what it is. So I went with Platinum to go meet her friend at her restaurant. She owns a restaurant. It's called Nana's Kitchen. Y'all have to check it out. The food is so good. Okay, but seriously, if you're in Fort Worth, go check her out. So we get there. She comes. They, see each other. And everything's everything, right? But this lady's spirit, like, I don't know. It felt like that lady, how do I put this in words? Like, watching that lady talk, first of all, you would have never thought that I was a stranger to her. Like, you would have thought I was probably like her granddaughter, because even the way she greeted me when she started talking, like, she just instantly felt like family. And she reminds me so much of my grandmother. Not that they look alike or anything, but just the way that you can just tell that she's just a loving person. Don't have a mean bone in her body at all. Just she's a nurturer. Like, I don't know. I cannot put it in words. I cannot put it in words. But the minute that I saw that lady, just her whole aura, it just hypnotized me in a sense. And I think it's because she just put me in a place of like, damn, I really miss my granny. She reminded me so much of her. Like, y'all, I'm not lying. I could have started crying. And then she would have thought I was fucking crazy. And then probably would have told me, get out of the restaurant. But like, no, seriously. Like, I could have started crying because it just, the love that she gave just felt so familiar. Like, oh my God, I'm about to start tearing up. I don't know. It was a familiar feeling. It just made me think of my granny. The sweetest lady ever. I don't think I've ever met anyone like that before besides my granny. Anywho, I said I'd like to say this. Please go check out Nana's Kitchen. Like, and if she's there, y'all will see what I'm talking about. Just do a simple hello, and like the love that she's gonna pour into you. I feel like everybody should have someone like that in their life, like a granny like that, a mother, what have you. I don't know, y'all, but I got food. The food is so good. Let me show y'all. All right, my presentation may not look the best because my food has been sitting for a good minute because we was talking and all that kind of stuff. But I got meatloaf, which I've been eating on, greens and yams, and then next four is cornbread. So this is what I got. It's so good. I'm about to tear it up. I'm going to let my husband taste it.